Yeah, say hi.
Hello guys, welcome to a rainy day. So the weather is so rainy. And so
See, someone told that tell Sarah to put a vlog, a complete vlog. So there, Sarah is with you to make a complete vlog with you. Okay, every सबके व्यू एक दो लोगों के मुझे व्यूज़ आए कि सारा जो है वो सिर्फ हाय बोलती है और हाय बोलने के बाद जो है वो सारा का व्लॉग नहीं पूरा कैप्चर होता. तो आज मैंने सारा को ही बोला कि सारा यू ओनली मेक अ वीडियो. कम ऑन सारा. What do you want to say?
I want to say rainy day vlog.
Today you want to say it's a rainy day vlog?
Yes.
It's all of sudden rain because there is some sun also there. सूरज भी निकला हुआ है और बारिश भी हो रही है. तो ये जो है ना ऐसा व्यू हो रहा है कि सूरज भी निकला हुआ है और बारिश भी हो रही है. लेकिन वेदर तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि वेदर बारिश वाले है. बट सारा डोंट क्लाइम. दिस इज़ डेंजरस. ओके, दिस इज़ डेंजरस. और यहाँ पे इलाइजा साहब भी मेरे नीचे ही हैं. वो क्लैपिंग कर रहे हैं. सारा डाउन. ओके, डाउन.
Hello. So I got color apple and white apple.
Yes, Sarah is saying today I went Lulu to buy a new coloring book for me. So Elijah is crying. उस दिन भी ऐसा ही हुआ था. इलाइजा ने, मैं वीडियो बना रही थी और इलाइजा ने मुझे वीडियो नहीं बनाने दी. इलाइजा रोने लग गया था. तो सारा कह रही है कि सारा which book you bought today from supermarket?
No, Lulu.
From Lulu. Yes. Can you please share your coloring book?
I got it.
Yeah, this is a coloring fruit books, right? And which fruits are there? Can you please open it and tell us? Sarah is saying I bought apple. There are apples. Yes. Then see, so nicely Sarah did the colors. She did nice colors. Wow, mango is very nice colored. You did it dirty, right?
Yes.
You don't have to color it out of the black picture, this outline. And this is, wow, Sarah, you did so nice color in watermelon. Do you like to eat watermelon?
Yes, yummy.
It's yummy.
Yeah.
Okay, then
After watermelon.
ये आज की वीडियो सिर्फ उनके लिए है जिन्होंने स्पेशली मुझे कहा था कि सारा की वीडियो बनाएं. तो सिर्फ सारा की ही वीडियो आज मैं बना रही हूँ. और सारा जो भी अपनी वीडियो में कैप्चर करेगी दैट ओनली आई एम गोइंग टू पुट इट अप. या नो, दिस इज चेरीज.
Cherry.
Yeah, and you did nice colors in cherries, right? The colors are not done properly, so you have to do properly. Then see, this is the colors. Sarah पहले जो है ना marker से करती, but I told her not to do with the markers. Use color pencils, so that you will learn how to do a color with the pencils. So ये सारा के सारे colors हैं, and she did very good job in this. Nice work. You forgot to doing this?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. You can carry on when you will finish doing your everything. Then you can carry on doing this picture complete. Okay? Okay, then what else you did it?
I didn't.
This will be next. Next one. Okay, which fruit is this, Sarah? Which fruit is this? This is pear. This fruit is pear. And this fruit is plum. You like eating pear and plum?
Nope.
You don't like it? Sarah only like... Okay, Sarah, which fruit do you like? Not this. These are the names of the fruits. Now you have to say fruit name. This is watermelon. And which fruit is this?
I like this. What is it?
This is mango.
I like mango, watermelon, and cherry, and grapes.
Okay.
And I don't like this one. I like fruit.
Okay, Sarah.
I like the fruit with the banana.
Banana also you like? Yes, banana. So you like too much bananas you like. Okay,
Yes.
Sarah. Now say everyone, please like my channel. Support to my channel. Subscribe.
I also like this.
Okay, Sarah. Okay, listen to me here. Say I bought this new book from Lulu.
I got a new
Big-
book for Lulu. So book. Oh, coloring.
6 are there. 6, this is the first level, 2 level. Then after you will finish this book, then you have to bring the new book to buy to color it. Okay? Okay. Now,
I buy my work now.
okay.
My work.
Very good. Okay, Sarah, now say please, I need your support. Surprise.
Please, I need my support. I like the channel. I will want a game today that I will make a game video so I can show you my rank.
Till then, take care of yourselves. Have a good day and God bless you all.
And have a good day and God bless you all. And pray for the Lord that you will get blessings. It'll be grateful that you get blessings.
Yeah, like my channel.
And like my channel and subscribe. Now we are doing work. I will call you back. And I'll buy work.
Okay guys, हमारी आज की वीडियो यहीं तक थी.
Wait, Mama.
Okay, okay, I'm waiting.
If we will I will have a degree that we will make
I hope आपको सारा की जो है ना वो इंग्लिश समझ आ रही होगी.
Bye.
Love you all.